Hey, Happy New Year's. I made a nice video today for you guys. Unfortunately, I can't figure out how to get most of it off my iPhone. So anybody know what they're doing there, let me know how to fix this issue. I got a good majority of the videos off though, so like the second half of the video is pretty nice. So I'm gonna upload it. I got some video of the machine going, and the final product and some other stuff that we ingested today. But the whole first half of the project, unfortunately, I can't get uploaded. But I wanted to share with you guys what I do have, and it's we cut out a nice tree silhouette and put it together, and it's pretty cool. So I think you'll be happy with what I did manage to figure out how to get onto the computer. But all right, check it out. Alright, so we got the pieces cut out. It's the moment of truth. Do they fit? I hope so. Let's see. And it does. I think it turned out pretty sweet. It's kind of what I had in mind. I probably will make one out of a nicer wood than MDF, but it's a cheap material and it keeps me practicing without spending a bunch of money. Now I'm gonna sand it yet. You can probably see there's like nasty fuzzies, and you'd expect that with MDF. And maybe I don't have my router. Maybe I'm pushing too fast with the router too, or not fast enough. I don't know. I gotta play with it more. Definitely better than the stuff I cut out yesterday with the 3 passes. I think it loads the cut up with the shavings. It almost packs it in like and makes and replaces itself. You know what I mean? So anyway, what I'm gonna do, because a lot of these little branches are like kind of flaky and flimsy and need a little attention. I think I'm gonna spray the crap out of it with shellac, and hopefully that stiffens everything up a little bit so I can sand more aggressively and get it cleaned up real nice. And then I'm gonna paint it black and put it on my desk. But I am super thrilled about this. It actually worked, and I actually didn't have to do it more than once, which isn't common for me yet at this point. I designed it and then converted it to the vector file and uploaded it and cut it out, and it slid together actually. So I'm super happy about that. But thanks for watching, and I will get this cleaned up today and painted and stuff, and I'll put a little picture of the final product at the end. I'm sure nobody wants to watch me sanding a tree. So Hey guys, so I got it all painted up and finished. Even had a little tire swing. Turned out really good. I'm happy with it, and you guys think it's as cool as I do. So anyway, that's what we made today. All right. And also at the end of the video, I'll post that welcome home sign me and my wife made. Took a lot of time, and it was pretty challenging just because we're both new at using the CNC, but turned out good. So look for those pictures there at the end, and thanks for watching again.